And then to close off before we get into the Q&A, just a couple of companies that we're excited to follow. We like the work that they're doing and want to give them a bit of a shout out. I think I mentioned earlier, I particularly am interested in companies that have used and are employing neuromodulation technology for the regulation of autoimmune diseases. The standout here, I think, is SetPoint Medical, who has attracted significant strategic investor attention and is doing some really interesting things to regulate the inflammatory reflex uh, as it pertains to the regulation of specific autoimmune disorders. Synaptica has a non-invasive device that is being used to enhance neuroplasticity of key brain networks associated with patients that are progressively deteriorating due to Alzheimer's disease. Spark Biomedical, who just recently raised some capital this year, offers an FDA cleared wearable neurostimulation device specifically designed to treat opioid withdrawal. So again, there's kind of that overlap with the chronic pain opioid epidemic. Having a device that's wearable to support these patients in managing their conditions, and we like the fact that it's wearable. I do think that that is where we're eventually going to see this market go into the wearables generation. Finally, we have Neuromod, who has a non-invasive device for neuromodulation to treat tinnitus, which is a massive patient population that has no real uh, great options today to manage their condition, and they're having quite a bit of success in the deployment of their technology in helping patients manage their tinnitus. So overall, the things that kind of get LSI excited, the LSI Market Intel team excited, is devices that are doing something new to differentiate themselves from kind of the current pack of or major strategics and going after new indications, developing wearable devices, developing non-invasive devices that um, will kind of address sort of those major barriers to adoption in the market today.